Hi everyone, on this video I'm going to show you how you can take advantage of your WordPress plugin so you can use different offers. Perfect guys, so let me show you how you can take advantage of this great tip, right? So this would actually work for anyone who wants to test different offers, right, using just one single domain, right? The other way or option that this can work is for someone who is actually focused on blogs and really does not want to use the blog within Clickfunnels, right? Because I know we all know that the best advice, if you're just focused purely on blogging, right? The best way to do that is through WordPress, right? But still, it does not mean that you cannot use your Clickfunnels account, right? Because at the end, it's about the sales, right? So the way that this works is that you just need to log into your WordPress account, right? Obviously, you're gonna need to ensure that you install the Clickfunnels plugin, right? So let me show you over here. I already have it installed, but I'll show you. Okay, so you just install the plugin since I'll have it already. Let me just go to add new and show you. Okay, so since I already have it connected, you're gonna have to connect your API key, right? So how you connect your key, just go to your Clickfunnels account. I'm doing this for a customer, and just go to account settings, right? Account details, right? Which is the same thing, and here you'll find the API key, right, for WordPress, right? So you just copy that key and then just go back to your WordPress account, right, and connect the API, right, and it's gonna bring you to this page, right? So how does this work, right? It's extremely easy to do, right? So you can definitely set however you want this, right? Just use it as your home page or even a subdomain, which is great, right? So some people like just setting this as the main page, right? For example, if you're blogging, right, and on the subdomain, you'll just connect your funnel, right? So let me just give you an example. On this one, I have the one funnel away channel, right? So and you can even choose the specific step that you want the customer to follow in, right? Which is great. And then you just save it, right? And when it's saved, you can even do like a preview, and there you go, guys, right? So this trick will save you a lot of precious time and even money, right? We all know that it's not really easy to take out take a domain out from Clickfunnels, right? And at the same time, it's gonna give you the option to test different offers with a same domain, right? And like I mentioned, right, you can use this trick on different ways depending on your needs, right? So that would be it for today, guys. So let me know below in the comments if you would like me to talk something on a specific. I will definitely love to help you on whatever question you have from now on. Okay, you have a great day and thank you for everything. Bye.